Okay, we're under the deck. We got two posts. So this is the outside corner here, and then we got another one here with the cross ties. I just marked this replaced. We can use a 12-footer in here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring in two 10-foot 2x6s with just some blocking to lay on the ground to support the deck. We're gonna disconnect the cross tie here. Cross tie here and a cross tie here on both these lags right here. Okay, and then we can cut the post right here and we'll wedge this out of the ground, slide the new one in, and put it right back in place. Okay, just set it up plumb and then just drill it and rebolt it. So that's one. And then the other one is further under the deck, going closer to the driveway. I marked replace on both of these. You can see where I marked it with the black marker. This one can be an 8-footer. Same thing there. You can see how this is rotted out. You can come up with actually two 6-foot 2x6s, one on each side. Put yourself just a plate of wood here, so when we relieve the pressure, we ain't got to worry about it going down. Cut it off, unbolt it, take the header right off. Now this one here, what you can do, instead of going all the way up to the top, you can actually, well, I don't know if you can cut this halfway or not, maybe not. You might end up having to pull it all the way out up there. So once you get these bolts undone, then go from there. You know what, bring a 10-footer, so bring a 10 and a 12. Okay, that way we make sure we got enough. So those two are being done there for the 4x4s. Up on top of the deck, you're gonna have yourself a piece of 3/4 inch, anything 3/4 inch, maybe about a 5 or 6 foot board to lay on the ground here. And he's got the wood shakes, and then he turns into T111 around this side here.
In that corner.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay a board right down across here. We're going to take and use that 3/4 inch board as our guide, and just take the all-purpose and cut right just about even with this deck, a little bit, about 3/4 of an inch above this deck, and that should be well, the flashing should be exposed, so it's not sitting there sucking up the water. That's going to be done there.